The Nikon Coolpix W100 is waterproof up to 10 meters. This camera is shockproof up to 1.5 meters. It is also dustproof and sandproof. This camera has 13.2 megapixel low light CMOS sensor that takes beautiful pictures even in low light. This camera can also record 1080p HD videos. It has a 3x optical zoom. In burst mode you can take up to 12 photos at once at 4.7 fps. It has easy to use menu system and buttons. The menu has different photography filters. It has two shutter buttons. One is the main button for taking photos and the other is for recording videos. It has a 230K 2.7 inches LCD. This camera also has built-in Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth to share the photos externally. This camera has iron lithium battery. It is available in multi-colors. For detailed review about this camera and to find out the best cameras, please click the link below in the description. For more videos, please subscribe us, and press the bell icon.